The government thinks it's okay for some fees in your investments to be hidden. Now, your first reaction to that may be that there's no way that this could be possible. Why would the government allow investment funds to hide their fee? I can't give an answer why, but a bill that was recently passed by the House and is now waiting for approval from the Senate would authorize portfolios to skip reporting expenses of certain funds that they may invest in. I read this stuff and I can hardly believe it sometimes. But what they are trying to allow is if a fund owns BDCs, which are business development companies, which have very high expenses and can range anywhere from 1 to 5%, Congress is saying it's okay not to disclose those expenses. BDCs are very high risk investments, but over the last 5 years, their assets have grown from $127 billion to over $450 billion. Now, what is concerning for me is if this does pass in the Senate, will it also be okay to hide fees for private equity, venture capital, private debt, and other alternative vehicles that would want the same treatment as BDCs? Now, I'm not a big believer in big government, but I do believe that the government should have rules and regulations for investors like they have rules for speed limits on highways. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, well, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.